Kamiti ya kuhurana na ungumania ya EACC ni thiite na mbere na kugatha icoka ciayo hari kung'ethanira na ungumania riu maitho mayo magikurirwo counties iria ririkana gukorwo cioereire hari njira njeru cia kuhama kigina na indo cia muingi. Akiheana ndumiriri ya ruhonge rumurugamiri munene wa ukinyaniria Eric Ngumbi niugite riu EACC ni rikitie maguru mayo hari uthuthuria wa magavana 21 amwe yao mari hau kabere na angi mari ITURWA-INI aria maramurikwo ni CIIKO ikuruhanitio na ungumania.
I think you are talking about Baraza. Yeah, the Lake Turkana wind power project. Hiyo tulimaliza, so he's one of those persons there, but that one does not relate to the county that he is managing. It relates to what he did at KETRACO that time. Then we also have the charity in Gilo there. And in the coming days, we will be sending more files to the DPP because reports keep on coming.
Kurigana na Ngumbi arugamiriri amwe a county makoretwo makihuthira wara gwitongia makiria kuhuthira njira itiganite kuhama migunda iria itandikithitio na county.
Some corrupt individuals therein form new agreements and partnerships with the new thieves, and a second level of grabbing takes place. Then EACC begins a second phase of recovery. One of the reasons why those with the appetite for public land are grabbing it is because even the institutions themselves are not taking care of that property.
Njira ingi kwite Buritatha ni uhuthiri muru wa ngari cia honge cia thirikari kuria EACC egwetete gukorwo na wira wa county nyingi gukorwo na maabitha megwatĩire ngari cia thirikari na gucitwa cia KIUMBE guku angi magitongia na kigina kiria gikoragwo githukiirwo maguta ma ngari ici.
Vehicles belonging to county governments being used to even ferry things to wedding ceremonies. In other cases, you see people changing number plate. You remove the county vehicle number plate to substitute with a personal one for the purposes of having those vehicles discharge certain personal errands.
Kwitukira irua riria EACC yandikire counties ciothe riwo county kubatarikana kuhewera ataria mathabu KIUMBE aria magukorwo na wabici cia ucikaro-ini cia county na aria marikoragwo rungu rwa EACC kumamenyithia ndagika o yothe kwagia na gatithio ga kimathabu ma muingi kuria undu uyu utanyite kuhanika ihinda-ini ria thiku 60 ciukite.
If county governments have not established or have not ensured that these internal audit units are functional, then it means that there are no checks and balances on how public money is used. It also means that the exercise of discretion in the utilization of public funds is not checked or assessed.
Maabitha amwe a county makagwetwo gukorwo mari njorua cia guthoga mitambo ya kigina kuria magiritanagio na kuhitha wira o wothe ungimakuruhania na uici wa kigina kia muingi uria muthio thararagia motungata kuri muingi.
The fact that there are systemic weaknesses and loopholes within those organizations, and in particular the county governments, and those are the weaknesses and the loopholes that people are taking advantage of in order to engage in corruption.
Handu-ini ya Kameme TV, leto rako ni Mbataru wa Mwagi.